How are you guys doing? This is Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how I made $1,545.05 from this Webull video. This channel is all about making money, and I thought this was really cool. I made one video, I put it on the internet, and I was able to make this much amount of money. And I just want to let everyone know here that's watching this video that you can make money from watching this video as well. Everyone. If you are a fellow YouTube content creator, you can make even more money, but anyone watching this video can make money. So stay tuned for that. And if you like content about making money, financial freedom, business, entrepreneurship, anything about empowering your life and your finances, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it greatly helps this video reach a broader audience, and it's more people that can make money from this video. So let's jump into it. For those of you that don't know, Webull is actually a stock brokerage where you can download the app to your phone and trade stocks. I'm sure they have a desktop version as well. I have not used it. You can do retirement accounts. You can soon do options trading. You can actually talk to other investors on the platform. They have a social feature to it. And it's also commission-free trading like most brokerages now, so you can trade stocks without incurring any costs. So I'm a big fan of the platform. Some people are not, and I'll tell you why, because it is a Chinese company, and some people just do not trust China. But one thing I would say to consider is that Webull has to follow the same guidelines that every other stockbrokerage in the United States. They are regulated by FINRA, and they are also SPIC insured. And that means all your money in there is insured up to $500,000. So if you're worried about Webull disappearing one day because in running to China with your money, they have insurance that will reimburse you up to $500,000. Something to think about. They also have an office in New York City, so they're doing business here, and they look committed to do business here as well. So if you're on the fence about them, something to consider is why you shouldn't be as scared to do business with Webull. But let me know what you think down in the comment section. What are some of your big fears with doing business with a stock brokerage out of China? Let me know. So, how did I make this much money from this video, and how can you make money from watching this video and being associated with Webull? So I am actually a referral partner with Webull, and they pay me set commission off of people who sign up using my affiliate link in the description below and also the pinned comment to this video. If you click on that link and you deposit over $100, you will get whatever promotion is running at the time. You can get up to sometimes 5 free stocks I've seen, and I get a commission from that. If you put in less than $100, I get a little bit less of a commission of that. And something really important to consider is that you actually need to be in the United States, and you could possibly be in other countries too, but please make sure to check. I've had probably 50 or so people try to use my link that are not located in the United States, and I would have made a lot more money than the $1,540.05 if that was the case. The major majority of money that I made from this video was actually because people signed up and I got commissions from it. So I want to say thank you for everyone that's used my link. It's very encouraging. These YouTube videos take a lot of work and a lot of time. I love doing it, but it's cool to get a little paycheck every month from it as well. So thank you guys for that. And one thing I think was really important I did in this video, I titled it exactly how to get your free stocks from Webull, because whenever you download a new app, you don't quite know how to get around it, and something like a stock brokerage can be kind of complex. So I just did a tutorial on my phone and showed people exactly how to get their 2 free stocks by signing up and depositing some money. This was a really good tactic, and I think other people could consider this for creating videos because you're adding value to other people by showing them how to use this app. And people like free money, it turns out. When I first got the app, I didn't really know how to navigate through it, so I thought, wow, if I'm a little confused by this, other people must be confused as well. So I showed everyone exactly how to get their free stocks from Webull. So again, that video is linked in the description below. I'll put a card here. Watch the video, use the link. I'm just kidding, you don't have to. What's cool about it too, if you use the link and get your free stocks, you can then go to your wife or your husband or your mother or your friend, and you can send them the link as well and get free stocks and free stocks and free stocks, which is pretty cool. Now, if you're a content creator, there's actually a really cool promotion going on right now. You can get $300 by becoming a referral partner with Webull. I did not have the opportunity to do this, so if you're not a referral partner, let me know in the comment section. DM me on Instagram, I'll put it right here, if you wanna make $300. You have to sign up and become a referral partner, and you have to get 3 people to sign up in the first month, which is very easy. Ask your mom, your grandma, and your aunt, and you're done. Now they have to open the account and they have to put a little bit of money into it. They can put in like $1 or something. Read the rules and guidelines. You actually get a rep from Webull and navigates you. Oh, actually that reminds me. You could also get a Webull shirt. Just kidding, they sent this to me for Christmas. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I got people to sign up for the last few months. I put this video up, I think in late October or November, something like that. I'll confirm when I'm editing this. Now, $1,505 of that was strictly people that signed up using my link, which is really cool. And then I made this video actually before my channel was monetized, and it was a very short video. It was only about 6 minutes. Videos on YouTube that are less than 10 minutes, you can only put one ad in them. So the ad revenue came out to be $40.05 after I got monetized, and I only had one ad in there, so made a little bit of extra money from that. So I think this is really important to point out that you can actually make more money from YouTube than just ad revenue. People watch some of these bigger Instagrammers that make a lot of ad revenue, that you can find other ways to monetize your channel and make more money for the hard work you put in. Webull is just one way to do it. There's a lot of other really cool ways to do affiliate marketing by reviewing products and helping people navigate through them and partnering with businesses and things like that. Pretty crazy world that we live in. We can shoot a video of ourselves and tell people to do this, sign up and make over 1,500 bucks. The video only took me a few hours to make, so let's say it took me 3 hours, 4 hours, I made 400 or 500 bucks an hour. Not a bad exchange for my time. I put a lot more time into my channel and I probably make less per hour than someone at McDonald's, but this is a longer term game and not necessarily all about the money. So what do you guys think? Would you like to make some free money? If you're not a YouTuber, you can just sign up using the link down below and get your free stocks. I've seen people get stocks of NVIDIA over $200, getting Procter & Gamble for $122. Someone said they got $600, but they're kind of nasty with their comment and I deleted it because no need to be nasty. Most people get around $20 it seems like, so you get at least $20 I think, but you're more likely to make more money if you put in over $100 by signing up. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and again, you can hit me up with any questions. My email's down below and my link to my Instagram, and we can even just have a conversation down in the comment section below. Right now the stock market is down. If you're feeling down on your money, you want some free money, consider Webull. So I'll just go through briefly and show you how I made my money. I didn't make it all in 1 month. Like I said, I did this in October. Let's go back and look at everything. I screenshotted everything. Yeah, so I started really in November. I became a partner. I only made $60. The YouTube algorithm did not pick up the video at that time, but it started picking up the following month. I made $420. The following month was my best month, and it was January. I made $660. It's pretty cool. In February I made $340, and so far this month I've only made $15, but I look at it every night and I never know. Sometimes there's like an extra $60, $80 in there, which is pretty cool. So guys, I actually decided to put an example in this video here on how you can sign up for the 2 free stocks. This way there's no confusion when you download the app and you're trying to get your 2 free stocks. I'm gonna play a clip of it right here, going through an entire example on what the process is like so you can sign up and not have any confusion, or even go click over to another video. It's all right here for you. So in this example here, I actually texted my mother the link to get 2 free stocks. This is the same link that's in the description below. By clicking on this link, it brings you to a sign up page like this one here, and then you just click sign up, and then it'll bring you to the next page that's gonna ask you to put your email, a password, and then set a verification code. After you put in your email and your password, you just have to click get code, and then it's gonna send it to your email, and grab the code there and put it here, and that will allow you to follow the link and get the app downloaded so that you get your 2 free stocks. All right guys, we're now looking at the main page for Webull. When you first log into the account, this is what you see. And you'll see at the bottom of the page, there's 6 different icons you can hit. What we're gonna look for to get our free stock, we're gonna go hit on the menu icon. It will be located on the bottom right part of your screen. So now that you're on the main menu, just look in the middle of the screen, staring right at you. It says My Free Stock. We're gonna click on that. Now to get your first free stock, you're just gonna wanna click on the top left where it says Account Opening. Just click on that. And that's gonna walk you through pretty much getting all your basic information, just your name, your address, social security. They'll also ask you some questions on your experience investing, your income level. So I'm actually not gonna walk you through all that. That just requires a lot of personal information. But after you complete that, you're gonna wanna click on Deposit Bonus. And when you get to Deposit Bonus, it'll take you to this screen that says deposit any amount of money
and get a free stock. I don't know if that's 100% right. That may be some kind of holiday promotion, but I'm pretty sure you have to put in $100 to get the free stock. So just go down here, you're gonna click on Get Started, and it's gonna say make your first deposit, and it's gonna ask you to do an ACH or a wire. Now it's typically best to do an ACH because you can just link it up to your online banking account. You can just click on that, then it'll ask you if you want to do a real-time verification or a micro deposit verification. I recommend just doing the real-time verification because what that's going to do, it's going to give you the option to just automatically log into your banking institution. So if you click on here, it's going to give you an option of a bunch of banks you're familiar with. And you either just click on your bank or you search for your bank, and then all you have to do from there is put in your login information and you're good to go. You can deposit the money in, money out. It's very easy to use as a brokerage.
So let me know, if you guys use Webull, what are your thoughts about the platform? Do you like it? I have a small account on there. I want to grow more, especially with Robinhood dropping the ball. I'm thinking about moving more money over there. This is not a video to knock on Robinhood, but I've talked about why I do use it because of things like cryptocurrency. But having your app break down for an entire day and a half is not pretty cool, and it feels like they're holding your money hostage, which I'm not cool with. Nobody should be cool with. You should be able to have access to your money. And I feel bad for anyone that lost money that was trading the market that day because they couldn't get out of any options that they wanted to. And it was also just like the biggest day the stock market ever moved in history, and Robinhood was not there for you. But hopefully they can clean up their act, but that's really for another video. And if you made it this far and have not already, again, just subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up button. And as always, guys, I'll see you in my next one.